Alright, it's a cake. Right, today's video we are going to check the how to check voltage of your car battery. If your car battery is charged or is working well, the strength of your car battery, that we are going to check how you check it. So you set your multimeter to DC volt, right? DC volts here. So this is my multimeter, and you check it to DC volts. So this my multimeter is in a DC volts, right? So this is how we're going to check it if it's working or not. So it's working or not. So this is how we're going to check. The black one will go to the negative terminal, and then the red probe will go to the positive terminal. So we will check it. Let's go. If it is working or not. Yes, you can see. So it's 12.59. So according to this reading, it's telling you that the car battery is good. So if you want to check the alternator, if the alternator is working, then you set to the DC volts. Yes, DC volts. Then you start your car. Then you check whether it's working or the alternator is working or not. So that's it. So this is how you can check if your alternator is really working or not. Yes, this is how you can check it. So connect this one to the negative terminal and this one to the positive terminal. Here we go. Let's check it right here. The alternator is good or not. The alternator is good, right? The alternator is really working like this. Yes, it's working like this. So this is because as we check it first time, it's 12.58 and now it's 14. Yes, and now it's 14. You can see 14 upwards. So we just start the battery, the car. We just started the car and check the voltage of the battery. If the alternator of your car is really working or not. So this is a way garage. Thank you.